Hello guys, welcome back to Badlands War, and today we will take a look at this Warlord Games Resin Plus Advancing Infantry Regiment for American Civil War. Inside the box you will get 24 miniatures in advancing or charging pose, so enough for basically filling one regiment in 28mm in most of the scales. Also, you will not get just the marching soldiers, but you will get the full command squad, as you can see, with both flag bearers, drummer, bugler, and one officer. Also, you will get 2 snake fences from Sarissa and small decals for braiding on the kepi caps. So you will get even sheets for the flags, one for Union, one for Confederacy. On the Confederate side you have the assorted variations of standard of Army of Northern Virginia. You will also get a couple of state flags for Confederate states and the national flag of Confederate states. And for whatever reason, there is this standard of Robert E. Lee at Gettysburg. And for Union, you will get interesting choice of flags. So you get flags for Irish Brigade, Lafayette Guard, and couple other of regiments, even United States Marine Corps one. You will also get bases. These are standard 4x4 bases, so staple if you want to base them for anything other than some small skirmish. You can use these and put 4 figures here on this 4x4, which is sort of standard how to do it. And also you will get even little pieces of terrains, and these are 2 snake faces from Sarissa, so you will get the pictured section here, but twice. And if you have all the 3 American Civil War boxes from Warlord, you will get sort of enough of snail fences to, have some impact on your gaming board. So let's take a look at the miniatures. As you can see, many of them, probably all the standard troopers are, body, and you need to add an arm, which is sort of interesting. They are not one pieces miniatures, but you need to actually glue them together. Again, like with the previous 2, which I reviewed, you can see the details are really pretty great. Nice details, sharp. Basically, I have nothing to, I have nothing bad to say about it, because they look really pretty great. Standard bearers. Oops. Yeah, interesting that the bugler has the bugle in one hand and he has his rifle slung over his chest. It's really interesting pose. Probably never seen it before. But to be honest, why not? And also there is the regimental commander. To me, he has some sort of Stonewall Jackson likeness in his face, but that's probably just coincidence. Both of the firing and advancing sets are intended to be both Confederate and Union, but as the firing line have the Union looking soldier, or Union looking officer. This one has a Confederate looking one with this braiding on his sleeves. But of course, probably there were maybe some even federal uniform times with it. I'm not sure, but this one has, Confederate vibes on him. Also, it's sort of minor issue if you want to fill him as Union, because you will just, take a hobby knife and sub it off and you're free to go. So that was, I would say, command squad element. And let's take a look at, rank and file troops. And nice poses, nice details. Looks really good. Oh, you have numbers on the bases, so probably the arms will be with. And also your numbers, so you know which arms goes to which trooper. And left arm is on the body, and right arm with the rifle is need to be glued on. Maybe it will fit on just a snap fit because there is a hole inside. Who knows? And here are the rifles, and also flagpole. And these flag tops have just, I would say, classic flagpole top and not the eagle one. So there is, probability that originally the firing line was intended as Union and this was intended as Confederate regiment, but nothing a hobby knife could, solve. So I have arm 10, and now I need to find a body numbered 10, and we will see how they fit together. 7, yeah, 10. So I have guy number 10 and arm number 10. It fits. So you could probably just snap fit them if you are, of course, not going to play with them much, but it's the hole and the little peg here, it's enough to stick in the figure, so when you apply glue here, it would probably really hold really well. And of course, mandatory compression with the perimeter ones. Focus. And probably no issue here. I wouldn't even say that the heads are bigger in this set than the peri ones. Overall, I think that's really a nice match, and you can, without any issue, go and mix them together in one army. And to be honest, I would probably say now that with not so sure with the firing line, but with the advancing box, I would say you can even fix them in the same squad. Really no issue here. And here is also the second half. Oh, a couple of them have backpacks, but blanket rolls. Nice addition, nice details. I will not, probably don't put them out now because it will be probably the same as the first half, and I think I showed you enough, and I don't want to bore you even more with showing, the other half of the box, which would probably be the same in terms of quality and, talking points. So I will wrap up with the box cover art, which is again pretty nice. And pretty nice is even the content of that box. I must say that the details are sharp, they are almost no miscasts, they look great, they are even compatible with the pre-miniature one, so you can add them to your collection if you were previously building the fort around the pre-plastics like I did. And to be honest, it's, well, really nice kit, and I could really recommend it to anyone. If you want to see a review for the other infantry box or the artillery box, as you can see I have them here. And by point this video is released, they are probably even online on my YouTube channel, so if you want to see them, I'll go and check them out here. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. This was Spot Answer, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!